Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unlocking your iPhone 12 Pro Max and opening Settings. This is where control begins. Once in Settings, tap Accessibility to reach voice features and make sure to find voice control in the list. It's listed near the top. You act now. Tapping voice control opens its panel, where you see the toggle. This first move gets you directly to the control you will disable, so don't wander into Siri settings yet. Now, toggle voice control to off. You'll see an immediate change. If a confirmation appears, agree to disable commands. This removes listening privileges. Once done, return to the home screen and swipe to Control Center to confirm the microphone or voice control icon is gone. If it remains, make sure you aren't in guided access or another accessibility mode. You'll know it worked when your device stops responding to isolated voice commands and the voice control label shows disabled. Finish by testing. Say a short command and confirm nothing triggers. If voice control re-enables after a triple click, make sure to disable Accessibility Shortcut under Settings Accessibility Shortcut. If problems continue, restart your iPhone and check Settings General Software Update, because bugs can cause settings to revert. If a corporate profile or MDM manages the device, contact your administrator. These steps complete the turnoff and give you one clear troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.